Welcome to MBBSCouncil. Kerala State Counselling first round allotment result is released. In this video, we will compare last year closing and this year closing rank for Kerala government and self-financing medical colleges. If you are new to this channel and looking for MBBS or PG admission, subscribe to this channel now and click the bell icon to get regular updates. For Kerala Government Medical Colleges, I have given state closing rank for important reservation categories for 2020 Round 1 and 2021 Round 1 allotment. During 2020, for state merit category, closing rank was 694 and this year it decreased to 594. Because of the low NEET performance of Kerala students, they could not pick many All India quota seats. So the Kerala state closing rank reduced for almost all categories during 2021 Round 1. I have also given the category closing rank for 2020 Round 1 as well as 2021 Round 1. You can see the closing rank reduced drastically for SC reservation category. This is because last year, many SC candidates did not prefer Government Medical College Palakkad because this college reserves 73 seats for SC category out of the 85 available state quota seats. So candidates skipped this college and picked self-financing college during last year. This year, maybe because of the economic condition, most of the SC candidates opted this college and very few students picked self-financing colleges instead. For self-financing colleges, there is decrease in Kerala state closing rank because of reduction of tuition fees before choice filling. For open merit or All India merit seats, the closing rank last year was 4,564 and this year it is 3,636. That means if your All India rank is less than 47,200 or your NEET score is higher than 549, then you would have got seat if you participated in Kerala State Counselling. I have also given the reservation category closing rank as well here for your reference. The closing category rank increased drastically for Muslim category and for the remaining categories the variation is little. This brings us to the end of this video. If you like this video, please cheer us by clicking the thumbs up button. See you in the next video.